Hello everyone, this is Hui. I just came back from a caving adventure. During this trip, I realized that I lack good camera gear to accommodate for different situations. So I decided to get a few more things to help me to do better shots. So I just got this DJI Mini 2 from Photo Warehouse today. It just came out end of last year. It's $806. It's the cheapest of DJI's drones, but I heard a lot of good things about it. I've never seen a drone up close in my life. Very curious what it looks like. So let's have a look at what's inside of this thing today. Okay, so there are two things here. There is the controller, and then there is the drone. So what I found interesting is that you need to take this little part out from here when you are assembling the controller. And to turn it on, it's not just one push, it's one fast push and then one long push. So when the light is blinking, the controller is on. And then for the drone, so if we flip this over, we can see that there's lights here. So it's the same, like if you press it once and then press it again, then this drone will be on. And then if you press it fast once and then press again, that's when you turn off the drone. So the other thing I found interesting is that so they have this little booklets coming out of the package. So what they show us is that you can only fly in certain places in both Australia and New Zealand. Okay, so what I also find out from reading those booklet is that we need to connect the drone to the phone. So if you look at here, you can see there's a cable. So we plug this end of the cable into our phone, and then we need to download the GoFly app from the information booklet here. We will choose connect on the app. That will allow us to connect the controller to the drone. Okay, so now we have the DJI drone connected to my phone. We're ready to go. Here we are. Actually, that's a miscalculation. So what I didn't realize is that the drone doesn't record any audio. So I was doing my commentary the whole time, but the audio, yeah, it's actually not on. So yeah, I guess I'll just be doing commentary here. So that's the first test that I did. I'm trying to fly the drone close to me. Yeah, and that succeeded. I was quite happy. That's me trying to show you how the app is connected, but I think because the light was not good enough. And then I tried to change the light. So I'm trying to get the sun to be on my face, so it's a better angle for the recording. Oh yeah, so this is the second test I did. I'm trying to fly it back to the car. So this is trying to fly low and then through the branches. The control for the drone is surprisingly good. So I successfully fly through the two trees and I didn't hit anything. Oh yeah, so yeah, that's me trying to turn the drone around and then fly back to me. Yeah, I was not very good at controlling the direction, so it didn't land directly in front of me. But it's still pretty good. Yeah, so I'm choosing the wrong angle here. Um, so I should stand towards the light rather than at the back of the light. So you may have noticed the little clip before the flight look a lot like a GoPro footage. It's because it is. So this is my new toy. It's a GoPro Hero 8 Black. Okay, so I think that was enough talking. So if you're interested in seeing more things on this channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell button besides the subscribe button. So if there's updates, I plan to update every week. So if there's an update, you'll be able to see it pop up in your feed. So yeah, I think that's good for today. Let's just into some music and finish the rest of the flight. See you next time.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
Oh no. Okay, no. No.
Go home.
No. No, no, wait, don't go home. No, no, no going home. Just land here. I'm just taking you home. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, just land.
Landing.
Damn it, I was going to take a mid-flight. But I guess it's no battery at the moment. So, this is low battery. This is low battery. So yeah, I guess it's time to go home.